Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here today. This one is a 2014 115 Yamaha 4-stroke. This one is a 20-inch shaft, remote, will come with a good use control box or a new one, depends what I have. This one came back with 230 hours, 190 PSI on all 4 cylinders. It'll come with the prop that is on it. I believe it's a 17 pitch. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, new engine oil, and the fuel system was gone through. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. You are going to hear the exhaust a little bit. If I fill up the tank anymore, it's going to dump water out, so. Pumping good water. Give it a second here. Probably going to dump a ton of water out anyways. Scoot back. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.